If I had to pick one that I could only use, it'd be Identifix, because they have the advantage of all the confirmed fixes, the archives, as well as the service information. They have the diagrams, they have the component locations and connector pinouts. It'll explain how to test the specific components, where they're located, find wiring diagrams, so that was very helpful. I really do like Identifix for the step-by-step testing that they have. So if you have a specific problem that they have archived in there, they're going to walk you through one by one as to test this component. You should have this voltage here, or do this to this system and it should react this way. I definitely use that in a repair, in a diagnostic. Having all the information organized and presented to you in a way that you can quickly find it. Identifix was really helpful. Once I typed in no communication with the PCM, Identifix brought up a list of possibilities and confirmed fixes in the past for the same problem. This is actually something I really like about Identifix. When you go through the confirmed fixes, it will have a fix that somebody had made, and the actual technician, the actual person who did the repair, can make a comment in that section. And I have found that some of the most valuable information on Identifix is in those sections. Not that the other stuff isn't valuable, but sometimes it's that one piece of information that really hits it home for you.